All right, so I'm done with my homework. Remember in the last episode, I had to dig a hole in the garden to analyze the soils. My homework is done. I'm just waiting for the result because it's going to determine which vegetable I will plant in the garden next summer. I wanted to show you something I've started. I started a sketch about what I have in mind for next summer. I was very inspired when I traveled in Vietnam 2 years ago about the way they were living. I had the chance to go and live with some locals up in the mountains, and they were very self-sufficient. I wanted to repeat a little bit of what I've seen over there around the house here. Everything they have in their land, on their land, is providing them some food or some materials that they are using, for example, to make baskets and clothes as well. So it was very interesting. So let me show you what I did. So here is the house, and here is the garden that I did last summer. And we just built the structure of the greenhouse over there, here. So here I've already planted white clovers last summer, and I've learned that I can mix it with some corn. So I will plant some corn here behind the house. Here inside the greenhouse, I want to plant tomatoes, bell pepper, and cucumbers. And here on the patio, I have some boxes. I want to plant some herbs as well over there, and some lettuce as well. Here, it's already a forest. So I would like to plant some fruit trees, maybe apple trees. As well, I would like to plant some willow to maybe do some basket or, things like that. So, but it might change as well, over the winter. But that's basically what I have in mind for next summer.
Ici.
Petit